There was a lady in the bookstore pushing around a baby carriage. And she's standing there. Coughing like that versus covering her mouth. And it just pissed me off. So as I'm sitting there reading my book, as she's... I just said, cover your mouth, and didn't move my head. Because I think that she should be covering her mouth. She's passing on that bad trait to her fucking kid. She's going to grow up coughing just like that. Emanating germs on it everywhere. It's disgusting. It pisses me off. Just want to slap her. Really. Thinking about her.
I thought you were saying what you
like I said, I wish it was legal to just throw rocks. Just to hit them. I think that would be the best thing you can do. Just pick up a rock and throw it at anybody. Well, I guess you could do that, but
could.
you get in trouble.